Well, I think Tennant is known in the industry as a quality manufacturer. Certainly, we love representing products that have that reputation in the market of being high quality, a great value for the price that you're paying, and Tennant certainly delivers that.
When you've got an emergency, they're there for you, but also when you're just doing day on, day out work, they're also there for us. So the dependability is really important to me because it frustrates the staff if they can't get the equipment to work. It wastes my time, it wastes my money. And so knowing that you pick up the equipment and go, it's going to work. That's priceless.
Fortunately for us, we have a great partner in Tennant. They provide us with a semi-annual placemat or data pool, which we look at water consumption by using the Tennant equipment. We continue to see a decrease in water consumption and waste, a reduced chemical utilization and chemical waste.
When you think of the cleaning industry, anywhere from 80 to 90% of the industry is made up of labor. With the AMR solution and the T7, what that will do is help our customers better manage labor within their facilities. This will allow now an opportunity to potentially reallocate that labor to higher value tasks, and that's technology that we've never had before.
So we open a store a month, and every time we open a store, we have just as many Tennant team members as we do our own team members. They come out and they fully train on the equipment, and not just the equipment itself, but the markets, the verticals, the end users that we need.
We rarely have a case when we're demonstrating a Tennant piece of equipment and we don't close the sale.
The value proposition can't be really codified in dollars. It's reliable equipment. We can count on it. We can count on the quality of the manufacturing, and then the warranties on it and the service in the backside. It's worth it, every bit of it.